Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Burnett here from PresentationMate.com. Once again, that's PresentationMate.com. And the reason that you are here today is you're looking for the world's best dry eraser marker caddy. And I gotta tell you, we found it here with PresentationMate.com. Not only will PresentationMate save you a ton of money by making sure none of your markers dry out, but it'll make you super efficient in the office as well. If you give us a few seconds, we'll be able to show you how.